You go push person. You know, since when you thought they bring faith, you know how long you be doing it. They not tell you say make you rest. They not tell you say now betray, now you won't do so. Come here. Come now, come talk. Waiting faith do say that thing as you as they call faith now, they call faith betrayer, they call faith liar, they call faith slow points, they call faith gossiper, they call faith who knows what they call faith. Now so they carry person a secret family one you get proof. You get proof. Now those things now they call it now. Now they call faith. Did you have proof? But you succeed in giving her that because you vex for another person. Because of the hatred when you get because you not the person. I don't notice you. I read many things about you. If all the friend when faith gets, the one will not be your friend inside, who get her faith, either who you or if that person not be your friend, if your friend not be your friend, you know they let faith the rest. Live on. Now so you do it for how many women know? Based on say he not can live lolo. Both one of his friend when he did Valencia, I know how you tell they do feel like say na small picking. Like say na small picking. You get your own friend. Get to go your see say you get friend. If that your friend not be friend, na problem. It go begin spoil. It go begin verse, and you get your own friend. She know they tell you how you want to move with your own friend. She was not telling you that, but you make sure say you control her life, control her friend. Is that good? When you tell her say make a live lolo, or win yet, or where our mawin when I but then I tell her of a truth, now you find the trouble. Now you make the call. You make the call. You make the call. You make the call. Me, I run for you, eh? Me, I borrow where John when I learn, and I'll continue to run for you. I settle down, know the kind of person. Oh, mama, tamam, or manuhi. You too, you don't read me. You read me. Oh, mama, tamam, a manuhi. Okay, but I read you. I was like, no, I can't. All the rubbish when you they do, ya say concerning a page. You they tell say when you do they tell say you want use case. Your page now me grow you for the social media. I show you when you come out. I supported you. Now me grow your page for the social media. Without no problem, but you can't do that without jealousy. Who makes it well? Who you want to do competition? Who you want to do competition? Do le. Ah, who were here? Some people nobody they pursue them or they run. Don't know who were here. Who they pursue you? You will follow your family do competition. Your brothers who will competition. Everybody who they with you, they follow, they do, who they pursue you. How who were here? But your family, no one know they follow, they do competition. Nobody, both friend, everybody, anybody who you don't come across, you must follow and do competition. Jealousy spirit. Now your hand I foresee or that thing. When you say he gets, but or a jealousy so. Now your hand. You are the first person that I see that he has everything. But once you see person when he gets more, oh my God, jealous. Oh my God, jealous. It's written, thank God, many of them don't read you for social media, say it's written all over you. You can't just be happy for people. It's written all over you. It's too much. They don't tell you this thing, tell you, reduce and reduce it. You get you now. You say you nobody they follow you, they drag anything. I go where drag me up. Be contented with no. Nobody they follow you. Nobody they follow me. I know they follow any bastard. They do competition. I can't follow you to do competition. You make it go with competition. Besides, you can't use yourself. They compare me. The time when you marry Ibo, Meyero Kada. As I 2005, I be 2004 when you they talk. I said the Okada. I was in the village. Me Webo. So now me and you, because they follow me, they do competition. Don't you and I want to do competition. You know what about our competition? If you like, you say you get the old world past me. I don't care. I don't care. It might care. Reduce your race. Who else buy tickets? Now free to enter. Why you not go enter free? See, you're the enter free. You do anyhow, you see anyhow. You feel enter free, but you do anyhow, you see anyhow. Who you want to do competition? Who go about one with competition? Who go say with competition? Who go one year no river? Who go with competition? And I want to show that I have it all. At the end of the day, I would like. Emina no banamurio wiro. Eve grigri wu dem dan ogba hian. Eve grigri wu dem dan ogba hian. How can you be saying you have everything, but uja omie no me here. Igbovwe wa sun. You know what you did. How many times? I defend Lolo. I defend Monica for your hand. I defend Rita for your hand. I defend Frank Victor for your hand. Ugatare, I go damn you. If you talk, I go damn you. If you talk, I go damn you. I'll be like, this jealousy is too much. I defend them without them knowing. Without them knowing. Leave them alone. What's your business? What is your problem? So yesterday you can't go check. If people they watch person view, as Kate can't get married, you can't go check for Google. If the view when you they get for YouTube or Facebook, Kate know how much. Oh, what Kiholele were here. One day I come to and say, I don't like person when they cut money, they follow person. No. He got talk, and do what we're gonna get me. Now, he might like him and he Kiholele. He like it. Why were you counting the money? Oh, Kiholele, like we have a social media now. Who does that? He like him and he Kiholele. Tell me, when he Kiholele, which spirit they follow them? Envy, jealousy. That's definition of enviness. And when you calculate lo wa calculate yo o wa balo elawa o wa balo elawa wo ki kan we wo ma wo we me. So give you real. Share this video out. I hate nonsense. If you get in your pocket, you get comfort. Leave all that alone. You they say you won't write from my video with your fake account yesterday. You they write to say me the verse say you know they cost Monica again. Like really? No, are you the pity? I was just pity for you where you know where the baby boy here not here. Oh, where got to me that so. For the beginning when I noticed, because I know everything, when no have here, a bag of mouth away. It was at all, when you know where the baby boy here not here. That's it, me. Say the verse say you know the cause if you me. Everybody they curse each other. We curse each other finish we will enter us. we cause you and finish go enter, but umami ove, we mami ove. But now you use your mouth collect all the cost again. Oh wait, they better bear me. Go fear. Everybody I see waiting you do. And even that one a small thing. It was a pity how you can't use your head or your hand to collect everything again. Now pity. Me vex. You remember the time when you call they can say me and you go they come they do overnight this thing. I not do Imau. You're the one today, Imau. Devilish human being. After everything, me of course they follow you the waka. And you won't see do to the person when they close. And you defer the do anyway. You be doing it. It shows that the friend when they carry the waka, now so they do the evil they go. I can't sit back and watch. Enough is enough. Yet you've done it. You won't do a croco. Need to support you. When I don't want it, I can never know. Yeah, you said no. Why I even talk that planton yesterday? Because I don't know the kind of person where you be. All man you wear money. All woman who I see her, I experience some. Also no when I move because no, you are the kind of person. Anyway, God knows that I go with you with my heart. Wow, plan anything, use your head, carry on. That's it. You plan evil that way. How can person go just sit down? Nobody they pursue. Oh, what rule here? Who does that? You let person first pursue you first before you go run. She not agree. I get one when call Rita come for me. For Rita, I have no problem with you. Any problem with you? Well, no. You for wait first. I defend you for Kate Hand. I defend Lolo for Kate Hand. I defend Monica. I defend as many I can. Because Ogatari but still, when he can't see, say, I know I always the damn man. Honor don't stop for one time. She can't stop. Some faith go deadline. Faith can bear me weakness. Faith go deadline. I don't need see. I don't need to play the con they cut audio they play. If you like, you believe. You like, you don't. I don't give a fuck. I don't record her. I don't record anybody. I don't they play anything because I don't want. I never over my dead body will I do. I don't even think. But saying it, what I experienced. This one will say person tell you, and I have to run. You see, say person they wicked, person they evil. You not run. I have to run. Faith try me. I no feel stay how long faith stay. Me I have no faith now for 7 years or so. I have no idea. The only thing I don't like about faith, she go they look you. She go no say this person when whether na she introduce them or anything, the person they very devilish. Until you will make sure say you experience and yourself. Who read them and me? Eta. She did not tell me. I got to read you. I got to find out myself. I got to. Call Rita come. I don't get problem with you. See. You say I watch your video. You say you feel carry my video, analyze. If anybody won't carry my video, you won't carry analyze. Carry on. Permission is just carry. Okay. Anybody at all, both you Rita, anybody you won't carry. You are free. I don't get problem with you. Yes, I don't get problem with you. I don't get that evil mind. if me, I always dey talk am for live video. If me and you get anything with them, hours and I will go sleep. But some people know they sleep. If I don't have to, yeah, I'm so mad. I can't like you. They take this thing beyond the way me they do am. That you know, for me, this is beyond. Me I get them somewhere better. Oh no, go lo hu am no ya sefa. Hu ya sefa. Anybody know who you? Hu am hu die. You ready come, you no talk to the fight other people when you won't use their head. Anybody when you go ready come won't do anything, and if they find that person won't put his head, you go use his head talk him. Because not as I was saying it, or when a fete it was a different ball game. No, he said the person ready come way. Don't when you say fire. Don't when you man why say fire kids. Who head good for you to put for front. Rubbish. Thinking it was the normal. Okay, do saga, you do, you know what? No, it was beyond. He make a while. Really? And she's a person. If you not support her, even if you be friend, oh well, me, you don't do it. Even to the close person, the person even there with her now, on your mind. Oh well, me, you go do you the thing. No, a faith, no faith try. You may not born a faith, because I can't. How would they look for how many years? You ready? You can't do something. The way na me when they do normal, come use my head. Say because say who you be, the one who Rita. Since when they start to they shock Rita, the this one they want to talk so una will tell me whether na jealousy or not be jealousy. What time? If this thing relates. Whether it look like jealousy or not be your jealousy, now your normal thing. Before you know, Rita they get view. That video when Rita, you even talked about yesterday, he say now so they use juju. I don't watch that video. Nah, she tell me say they use juju. Rita, they go they one case something you they wash them. Jealousy. I would like. I they watch Rita even at that. I they watch. I they went to call out the call because some idiots, all those lazy Nigeria, you think what? I just want the hear. I was listening. I was saying, me too. I they watch. I they watch Rita. I'm there. You know. Now someone can something they wash on. Erie bo walo. Na we bo. Elwe bo. Elwe bo. Me ma go be live video. I did not know that she said it on live video. This was on phone. Erie bo or waya dinya yeba. Well, no, what did she they talk? People like you know all those kind of things. Our boys they like her. If not be waiting, I tell you. They like those kind of things. If I have all those kind of things, they like to go, they stay. Oh, well, no, not juju. Where they returning? But if you know they do something, I have never thought anybody is using juju. Because you know my who, in my the social media, I never even because of Ibo go juju. Now because useless social media, I can't go juju. I can't go juju. Now juju Rita they use. Whatever. Right now, what is this sign like? Waiting in me. He go, you get one K3, you get me agi wa. No be say get one better thing when they talk. Eto enya gbonota. Inya wa revo. Me I even they wash because if you know they interest in me, me because those kind of things, boys, all those people they like her. He say na juju. Erita bolo. I'm like, I don't know. Before you know, he say he wants that hook up. When we answer hook up. And have it when they see the one I tell the defender, he go they feel say maybe because I don't me they look the everything saying a normal like it is you know it just like that. But she go they say na lie oh mafia rame oh me me. Sometimes even faith go even verse come for line. For money till night, he go use you work or winner a bag maybe off of money. Now only he go work for money. Oh, what you now? But you will go deadline sometimes when it enter. Sometimes see she go even reach out come for work. I don't know how she say they pass all the social media platform. It might be no yale here. Rita, he talks so many things. When no Keta, I say no way Rita na mu, Rita na really buy. Cause this one now only God like when she only commands. I say no way Rita na mu when they insult me through her. Viogun revieni yare yo putain. Ya bawe. You know, if you can't say na lie, why you can't say na lie before? They born you. You know, if you say na why you fit say na lie before? I be your saver. Sure, you believe in juju, you believe in this way they do. You have your rent now, no don't tear boy your war, you know. Telosiana buewago. Rubbish. Now, so Rita, many things. I will say, I beg. Oh, wait, ma. He said, I won't start hook up. Rita, why you go be hook up? Why you go? I have my name, they go, why me, I go. You go, they collect their money. You go, they collect money from their hand. No, be everybody get money, oh. You never everybody get money. I will be like, this hook up, me. The way when lazy Nigeria, how you take the disturb person. Me won't do. I don't go do it free. Is it what I told you? He said no, not free. Not free. Just to kill her. Rita, no, just to kill. And that was the truth. Yeah, it was not be everybody get money now. Where they go, hey, go, Rita. Oh, when you go no me, 100 euro for one person. Oh, me, when now, 100 euro for this one, 100 euro for that one. A kigo. The person who are coming for my life with the kigo little one, I be Kate. Oh, I calculate you, but when my calculate go ni or Kyle Luene. Oh, me 900 euro. Oh, me 900 euro. When now? If me was a program in my mind, I dey watch it. I don't even know whether I not even the what concern me. Now just to watch the cash cruise come up for there. That's it. Any what do I wear free now so that when go people they will say they get woman because not be everybody get money. Do anything you not concern me. What way? On your problem. Now she starts. She start to do. And when she tell me, I say, if me want do hook up, just as I said before, I want to do this hook up. You were free because the head dick when you they get, you can't be. Why are you blaming her that she's doing it free? Me, I not go do it free. Not be waiting. I tell you, I say I not go do it free. Oh no, my go allow her wear because I fear man wear mu. You know when me wear hook up, I know they do hook up. The last thing I will ever do in my life because. For me, if they even someone will even call me, you know many times we don't quarrel. They will call me, I need more. I say, go walk. My phone, Mary. I say, me, I not even do hook up. Me, me, will hook up. Because I look, they say they're lazy. Me, I go find, I not fit. And even if I won't do it, when we they talk, even if I want to do it, I will collect money. In short, 100 euro need to be. No man go along her way because if you know the stress when you day. But all to spoil Rita business, and that was the bitter truth. Rita no. She won't do free. Because I always free. Ne don't know here do re. Anya do re no here do ari go re. That was because if no or calculating any go before, she was calculating the money before. I were free. When I see him, she can't start, she can't talk, say for a video. If you need free hookup, come my inbox everything, and hey, you are fair when you called. Because I know the reason behind it. It was not like you just genuinely want to do it. All because of someone else. To spoil someone else's own. It was not genuinely agenda. You have agenda behind it. Because if na normal, say you just want one, that's a different thing. But there was evil behind it, and that was the part that I don't like. But what to do? They look you. I've never insulted Rita. I've never. Even when the time when Ekia Queen, when it start, when they first do their saga, everything, she go come, they tell me, say, I beg. You know how many times I use my head? That's why it pain me when they throw man they give me from inside. Because I have I know how I defended her from this. He damn me, he bear your egg. Home. Tomorrow another person will bring home. Oh, my baby, how would they imagine? You know what I would imagine? Because me when in the house, I know they feel they follow all the platform. I would imagine how Kate they follow all of them and she they walk. You know, like you they walk and be because the one where you lay here, go they say different video, they follow all of them. Some people when me not know, you go call some people now and say, I don't know this person. I've not seen this person before. Oh when I saw your name, you say they do live video. How you think they know them and you say you they walk? Oh, I am your boy. I want to know because the thing is out of my imagination. Because I say if me they walk, or go on social media me your boy. Now just to cash cruise. I'm a we no but Kate they feed the doing now let shit your baron and your baron your chest I know if I can't in your and she don't use fake account bully me. I cash you. You go use fake account bully you even if you be a friend. She don't use fake account bully Faith. How wicked you are. And you I don't they wait for you. Waiting you don't they do when I they notice. I'm than dead. I did not hesitate to build your platform when you can nobody know you. I share you. I make sure say people they know you. But you now the person will be say you and person they do competition. I don't know who. Make it be only you. If I get my confirmation right, Because enough is enough. Your evil, reduce them. Your jealousy spirit, reduce it. Emmanuel, it's not good for you. Or walk banwe, ulele family with competition, ule loss with competition, ulele anybody no me will dare. Because you just want to be, because now so they calculate. Which calculate? Na me they do and na me they run at the rest. They use your life. You go enter your life. You go make sure say you enter your life to come view, to come weigh your life, so that you go feed you go come get that satisfaction. Say, even myself, you go want they use the life, they compare your own. Okay, allow work be one, okay, allow okay way when. So now that one they give us satisfaction. They okay, in myself now. Who you wanna they do competition? Who you wanna they do competition? How we here? Who they drive you? Besides that, not be today you enter Europe. No lie we bo. Maybe work by like we bo the same time. Even the other person, work by like we bo the same time. How we here? And it's obvious. People when you get, they don't notice and they don't read by you the envy, the jealousy when you wear your shirt. Not just wear who. Thank God say people don't know. As I tell read them, as me too. they read you. Many people don't read you like that. Edoya wore Rita, he go talk many things like that when I dama. Even the day when Rita, when he even talk for the video, I know watch that video when Rita calls me for inside. She was the one that told me. Yes, because I know watch that video that day. It was like a travel, yeah. Because she was looking for all ways since to use my head. Me have to born a Rita, but she couldn't. She can't see the opportunity to say, Rita, she was the one. That was the opportunity because of when okay, even the time when the girl will take care, when they get that saga that time, he go talk and come like, I beg, because normally the only person when I even do saga with when he no fair find me, I be Lolo and the Monica, and that period, if I want like it's also like everybody they talk and that, you know, normally I know they go for who not come for me, but I was seeing the rate when she tell they go for people when he not come for her. Now we are this thing, or maybe no, you don't know you say she ready, not knowing that Kate was ready physically, spiritually, and otherwise. And may know me I will saga me I will do we get something like this. If I do finish, I'll go sleep. And the day when she do that video talk, say she carry 3 people name before when she they come. Carry 3 people name on social media. She can't carry and go somewhere, you can't go ask her. When she do that video finish, we can't call her and say, you say na joke, you know, okay, sometimes even Faith go come here, I will do some saga finish, you say, oh you na yoto, na poporina, you know. Because okay, na no na true or what they you he say he don't know why. He go they talk something. He said they say in the joke. Eh? What will make you won't carry person name 3 people before you they come somewhere? When my say we go on the live video, we feel fear. You know, eh? You know, I go they tell something. You go they say na joking they do because maybe okay, if you call, I will say, I only hour when I will catch a cruise. Now, lie. I thought you know how long it take me to read this woman. Inagayu. Why will you do that? If not be competition spirit of jealousy, wetin go make you the first time ever heard it that you dey call social media woman say but you dey carry una ka vie me ha here na only God know whether me are not there inside because so I know because I know even know the 3 people we know even who only what we don't know. Now when he talk and finish now we can't ask for inside also. Now joke I be, you know, it's a joke, no? Cause if na not the fear on head, you are born like so why do you think I'm when I reach out when I know say he can't show me he tell me say hey you forget your pants, he can't show me for video. What's the una feel where why even talking? No how now moving. Anyway, I not get what I do for that one. I could you use your carrier. He do it all finish on a lag is jore. He jore. As they talk about like the one way they talk for his ass, he pack the one way they talk for. In short, she even they try to compose herself, make the jealousy not they obvious. What he can wear? This is what I'll be asking. Our area was war. Any yanking why yanking out bar? He can't talk put there. They took the view like fool. They be fool. As far as we go everywhere. God forbid. When you have here, but why can't they cry? Oh, Marie, what's that? People when they talk say you dey jealous Kate for waiting. Now my mates. Now the same time we come Europe. Now the same time we come Europe, you are not jealous and for waiting. You are jealous ba. You dey jealous you are jealous ba. Una see jealousy, una no go even know, like you will not even know that this is a jealousy. Or I'm a jealousy. Ijore wa munya come by. Ijore wa munya come by. Iya wa baligo ni jore. Ava agboni goma kigo. Igona iyaga kigo le.